Hey, so after being here at the gate outside of Mertzen, Texas, 11 weeks was Tuesday we've been here. So we found out yesterday that we are done. So we are packing up to move. So after 11 weeks, this is the longest we've ever been stationary anywhere in our RV. So I am packing, well, kind of straightening and packing. So we've got all kinds of, this is the fun part. So I got all this to take care of. We have to stow everything. I'm in the middle of working on the kitchen. So it's kind of a big job. Because outside he is taking down the winterization, the skirting that we put underneath the camper because it was super cold for a few nights. So he's doing the outside right now. I'm working on the inside, and then we should be done within probably hour and a half, and we'll be on the road again. So we will touch base soon.